Carrier oils are the backbone of effective facial care formulations and DIY blends. They influence absorption, occlusiveness, comedogenic risk, and overall skin feel, making the right choice essential for different skin types and routines. In this review, I tested 5 widely available options across price points and use cases to evaluate purity, texture, aroma where present, absorption, and compatibility with essential oils and actives. Product number 1. Cleganic Organic Jojoba Oil. Cleganic offers a single-ingredient USDA Organic Certified jojoba oil in a 4-ounce bottle. It is marketed as a versatile base carrier suitable for face, hair, skin, and nails, with claims of hexane-free processing and purity. The oil is non-GMO, vegan, cruelty-free, and minimally processed, which aligns with the straightforward, no-frills carrier oil option for people with sensitive or reactive skin. The packaging notes a new look but the same formula, suggesting continuity in quality. Pros include its certified organic status, purity, and multi-use versatility, plus a modest price point that makes it accessible for daily use and routine testing. Performance-wise, jojoba is technically a wax ester that behaves similarly to skin's own sebum, promoting balanced hydration without heavy occlusion. In practice, Cleganic's jojoba provides a light, non-greasy feel with quick absorption, making it suitable as a facial primer or daily moisturizer base when blended with a few drops of essential oils. For hair, it can tame frizz and condition the scalp without leaving a heavy residue. The main caveat is that some users may desire more potent actives or fragrance. Being a single-ingredient oil, it lacks built-in antioxidants beyond what jojoba naturally contains, so users seeking extra longevity or fragrance will need to supplement with other components.
Number 2. Handcraft Blends USDA Organic Jojoba Oil, cold-pressed, 8 fluid ounces, 100% pure. Handcraft Blends provides an 8-ounce bottle of USDA organic, cold-pressed jojoba oil, explicitly hexane-free and marketed for aromatherapy, massage, and daily skincare. The larger volume offers greater value per ounce and is positioned as a premium-grade carrier oil, with a focus on luxurious application and multi-use versatility, including facial care and hair conditioning. Pros include the cold-pressed method, nutrient preservation, and a generous 8-ounce size that suits regular users and DIY blend makers. Performance-wise, the jojoba's similarity to sebum translates to efficient absorption, soothing dryness without clogging pores. The cold press process helps retain natural nutrients and vitamins E and B, contributing to antioxidant benefits and improved skin resilience over time. This option shines for users who mix essential oils into carrier blends or make massage oils, thanks to its smooth, non-greasy texture and compatibility with other ingredients. A potential downside is the larger bottle may lead to oxidation risk if not stored properly, cool dark place, and if the cap seals aren't tight, though hexane-free status mitigates concerns about solvent residues.
Product number 3. Pure Carrier Oils for DIY Skincare Set with hair oils, skin oils for body care, moisturizers for face. Maple Holistics presents a 4-ounce set featuring multiple carrier oils: almond, fractionated coconut, avocado, grapeseed, castor, etc., designed for DIY skin and hair care. The set emphasizes a broad range of fatty acid profiles and functional uses, including anti-aging and moisturizing benefits across different skin types. This kit is ideal for users who want to experiment with oil blends or build custom serums and masks without purchasing individual oils separately. Pros include diversity of oil types, explicit cold press references for some oils, and convenience for DIY enthusiasts. Performance-wise, the variety enables precise targeting: almond for nourishment, grapeseed for lightweight moisture, avocado for humectant-like hydration, and castor oil for occlusion and scalp care. However, multiple 4-ounce bottles in one set means several ingredients may be used unevenly over time, potentially leading to mix-ups or wasted product if not rotated. The lack of explicit purity or organic certification details for each oil in the set can be a concern for users prioritizing purity, and some oils may have fuller aromas or lighter textures that affect compatibility with sensitive skin. Use case-wise, this kit suits DIY serums, face masks, and massage blends, but may require careful storage due to the variety of carrier profiles. Number 4. Top 10 Carrier Oil Variety Set, 2 ounces. Cold-pressed, 100% pure natural. Plant Guru's 2-ounce Top 10 Carrier Oil Variety Set claims 100% pure cold-pressed oils with a travel-friendly size. The selection includes a well-rounded mix of common carriers like almond, apricot kernel, argan, avocado, castor, fractionated coconut, grapeseed, jojoba, olive, and sunflower. This is pitched as a DIY-friendly kit suitable for blending, massage, and personalized skincare routines, with a focus on filtering for sensitive skin types due to the small bottle sizes and generally neutral aromas. Pros include portability, a broad spectrum of fatty acid profiles, and a complete starter feel for experimentation. Performance-wise, the 2-ounce bottles are convenient for travel and testing blends before committing to larger containers. The cold-pressed claim suggests nutrient retention, particularly beneficial for argan and avocado oils. However, small bottle volumes risk rapid oxidation if opened and exposed to air, especially for high oleic oils like almond or apricot kernel. The set is strong for someone who wants to compare textures and absorption across oils, but it may require additional budgeting for a larger, more stable supply of each preferred oil if used daily. Use case-wise, ideal for beginners or those building a personalized facial oil blend kit. Product number 5. Organic rosehip seed oil for face. Yokin offers a lightweight rosehip oil in a 2-ounce bottle, marketed as a 100% pure, single-ingredient oil. Rosehip seed oil is renowned for its fatty acid profile and antioxidant vitamins that support elasticity and texture, with a light, non-greasy finish, suitable for daily facial care and gua sha routines. Pros include the single-ingredient formulation, cold-pressed processing, and claimed suitability for scars and nails, making it a versatile addition to serums and treatment blends. Performance-wise, rosehip oil is known for improving skin texture and supporting elasticity when used consistently, though results vary by individual. The lightweight texture makes it appealing for those who dislike heavy oils or occlusive finishes, and it pairs well with essential oils and diluted blends for facial work. A potential downside is variability in color and odor between batches, common with rosehip oils, and users with sensitive or reactive skin should patch test. It's particularly well suited for dry or aging skin, boost for scar care, and for use with gua sha tools due to good glide and absorption.